Hey y'all, welcome back for another video of what we go through with you, boos.
So
all right, settle down. All right, so
I am. I'm squatting down because
my tripod stand is broke. Stop! Can you not?
How do you get down? Down!
Can you see how long? No, you can't.
Move!
Hazel!
Move! Go!
Get up.
I can't get up because I'm me.
You can roll over.
I'm not rolling over. Down. Down. Chili, what the? Oh!
Zaddy!
Bit the pillow.
Get down. Alright, y'all. Sorry about that little escapade, sescapade, whatever capade. Jeremiah was acting a fool. Stop! We're recording. Stop. Alright, on today's video, I'm over squatting. On today's video, we are going to be training some dogs, some basic commands, but with treats. That's the only way they'll listen.
Yes.
So
without further ado,
let's get this video go. Oh, before we start this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the like button right now. Go ahead and pause it. All right, so now we're gonna adjust the camera and everything. Come back to the training. Don't mind my socks. I get pretty cold in the house, so let's start it off. Me, Kalia, is gonna start this thing off right here, right now. Right here, right now. All right. Don't get mine. I'm gonna use my handshake. No, they're passable. Come on, Hazel, over here. Just so everyone knows, this is Chili. That's Hazel, and this is Zani. She's a badass. Sorry. Alright.
them trees smell pretty good. Let me get one. Train me. Teach me how to see.
Y'all want to taste it? Alright. Dang, I can't do the first command because I already did it. Alright, Hazel, you're first. Good girl.
You didn't even say nothing.
Oh, okay. Sit. Sit.
Who's at the door? Oh, okay, never mind.
Mom's home. Mom's home. She gonna do it because I got treats. Alright. Down. Hazel, down. Hazel, down. Good girl. Chili gonna do this. Chili, down. Down. Sit. Down. Down. Chili, down. No! You stay over here.
Sonny's ready to roll over.
Yeah, right.
She's like, I'm next.
Down. Chili. Okay, Sonny, roll over. Roll over. Roll over. That's your mama, big girl. Mama, big girl. Get out of this. All right, look, Hazel's still laying there. Oh, she did. All right, Hazel, roll over. No, Chili. Down. Down. Good. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over.
Just not enough room. Sonny can't even. She got stuck her legs on the couch.
Roll. Roll. Roll over. No.
Oh.
Down. Roll over. Hazel. Roll over. Roll over. Roll over. Girl, roll. Roll. There you go. Here.
Oh my God, Chili is not gonna stop until she
Chili!
gets a treat. Has she gotten a treat yet?
Yeah, she got sick. Down, Chili. Down.
Oh my God.
Down. No. Oh, you got it. You got it. Lay down. Lay down. Good girl, Chili. Good girl.
That was barely it, but you know.
She laying down, isn't she?
That's not how they're supposed to lay down.
You already know. All right. The next is sit and stay. Let's see who wins the treat. Sit. She down. Sit. Stay. No. Sit. Stay.
Sonny wins.
Girl, she took long. Oh,
She took it?
No, she did. I thought she did. Stay. All right, good. You got it. You just got it.
Up. I need them to get up. Up. Stand up. Stand up. Stand up. I want her to jump. Stand up.
What do you want? You said up. They're going to jump up a little bit?
Up. Walk. Oh, she's about to jump.
Right, because she think that's what you're asking her.
Lie down. Lay down.
Down.
Down. Down. Down.
Look at
Down.
Hazel. She's like, I'm over this.
Down. Down. Up. Down. There it goes on. Up. Hazel. Down. 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 Zani's like, down. Zani, sit. Stay. Hazel. Down. Down. Chili. Down. She. Down. Down. Come on. Down. Down.
Sounds like I've been down.
Down. Down. Oh, you just lay down? Come on. Lay down. Oh. Lay down. Down. Come on. Down. Zani. No. Come on. Down. Oh. Down. Come on. Down. Down. Oh. You can do that.
Hazel is literally like just looking at me like.
Down. Down.
She walked off the camera.
Down. Down. Sit, Sonny, go. Out. I'm trying to get her. Come on. Hey!
Oh my gosh. They backed you to a corner.
Sit. Sit. Down. Sit. Down. 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 Down.
Hazel got it. Good girl, Hazel. Next time she got to stand it down. She can't jump back up. Oh, it falling.
Hazel, Chili, you can get it. Down. This hurt my back. Down. 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 Thank you, Zani. Down. 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 Oh.
Zani
Down.
got it.
Down. She licked it.
You got to go down with them too.
Down. Down. Sit. Down. 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 Why she don't just lay down? Like, I don't get it. There we go. Good girl. Go. Look at her.
All right, y'all. So, as you can see, they are. They're barely passing. Zani did very well. Hazel, she gets. Zani gets an A. She gets an A+. Zani A+. Hazel, you get a
Good time.
You gonna get trying to start cussing on camera. Hazel, Chili, you got an F. You got an F. You failed. You failed. Hazel got like I'll say a B-. She got B-. Chili, we need to work on you. Zach, good girl, you won, sugar. You want another treat? You want one. Here. All right, so y'all, this is just a quick little video that we can just come up with very shortly. Join us next week for something bigger and better. Like always, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel on What We Go Through. Make sure you share this video, let people know, or just share us who we are. Let them check out other videos we have. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment below if you like this video. If you feel like we should try different tricks. If you just want to comment on the stuff we say, because we're funny. We're not into you. But I think that's a fact too. So yeah, it's period poo. Ooh. 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 Ooh.
All right, y'all. So we'll see you next week.
Ooh.
Bye.
Ooh. Cool. Whoa. Oh. Okay.